In this presentation, I will be speaking on how to use whiteboard during our online presentation for us to be able to collaborate with our students and for us to be able to see or to ask our students questions, and they can solve the question, we can see what they are doing at the other end. The name of the whiteboard is WHITEBOARD.FI, and in this video we'll look at how the teacher or the presenter can use the whiteboard at his end and how the student can use the whiteboard at their end, and one can be able to see what the student is doing at the other end. As many students that we have online, we can have them do one or two things online after the code and the link has been sent to them, and this the whiteboard will appear at the side of the teacher, and the teacher's whiteboard too will appear at the student's end. You can be able to see what is going on at the teacher's end. You can be able to see what is going on at the student's end. So I would like if you can listen to the end, look at this presentation. If you have any comments on any other whiteboard that we have used or what you want us to cover on our online presentation, I will appreciate this greatly. Thank you for your time and thank you for your attention. In this presentation, I will be showing us how we can make our online presentation to be very appealing to our students, and we have different types of whiteboard that we can use. We have a seat board, we have a Jamboard, but this other board is equally very interesting, and it allows easy collaboration with the students. And what do we do? How do we access it? We go to our search engine, we type WHITEBOARD.FI, then we click enter. It will bring us to this very point, and we can create a new class. If a student, there's no need for registration when you are using this type of board, both for the student and for the presenter. You can easily click on join class, or you can easily click on new class. So since it is a new class I'm creating, I can click on new class. So if I click on new class, I can give the class a name. Let me give this name. Let me give this class a name, demo. So we can easily select some of those options, but we can leave it at default. This is what we need to send to our students to join the class. We can easily send this code to the students to join the class, and this is the room code for them to enter when they want to enter the class. You can send this code to the student. Then let me go to the whiteboard. This is now my own point of the whiteboard. I can write with this, I can draw with this. This is an eraser. I can draw, maybe type. If I click on this one, I can type a text. I can type with it. I can draw a line, just the same way we have been using other whiteboards for our presentation. You can write with this. We can. This is freehand mode 2. This is an eraser. This is if you want to type a text. This is if I want to draw a line. I want to draw a shape. If I want to insert an image. If I want to insert a background image, I can cover for the background. You can make use of all these options. After all this has been done, you can come to these settings. If I'm in settings, I can clear the whiteboard. I can save it as PDF. This is the room code. And if I come to my class, any other person that I've joined with this code, their board will appear in this place. From this end, I can send a particular, I can ask a student to do something from this end. I can type there and ask them to do something. I can write with it. And the interesting thing about this whiteboard again is it has space for LATEX. You know, you can put LATEX in this list. This is if I come to down for mathematical oriented people. for math class, I can click on math. If I click on math, I can enter my equation editor. I can check the latest code. You can check some of our video that we have done on how to get latex formula and how to be able to get the code. After the insertion, you can say insert math, and then it will be inserted into the equation or onto the board, the mathematical equation that you have put. We have to note that you cannot just write mathematical equation in some of this whiteboard. You need to write it in LATEX form. If it has been written in LATEX form, then that's when it can appear in the proper way at the student's hand. From this action point again, we can change our grid. I can put small grid. I can still change the grid. Insert. So depending on what we are doing, we can change the field. We can change the field. You can add border to it. We can change. You know, this whiteboard is very, very good for collaboration with students. So whatever has been written here will appear at the end of the at the student screen, and those students that have joined can easily see what we have written, and when they are answering, you can easily check what they are doing at this end. And the other thing we can still do with it is that during our Meet presentation or Zoom presentation, or if it is a Microsoft Meet that you are using, you can click on this. You can dualize your screen. That is why you have some other things you are doing, and then you can present your board, and at the same time you can see the other one. The interesting thing about this whiteboard is once you leave the class, the user code, the settings, everything will wipe off the next 2 hours if you didn't close the class or close the room. It will close automatically after 2 hours. But immediately after the class, you can close the room, so that if you want to join the class next time, you need to generate a new code or a fresh code. And also you can clear all the board. You can clear whiteboard. Then at this place, you can clear whiteboard, and also you can clear all boards on the student's end. If you click clear all boards and you go to the student end, you will not see any board at their end. This is another way of another type of board that can be used for our online presentation for the students and for the presenter. I will appreciate if you can give your comment below if you have any type of whiteboard you are using, or you have a challenge in the use of any whiteboard. We'll try and put you through, and if you subscribe to this channel, we'll be able to update you with new technology that has to do with online teaching, that has to do with installation of solar. You know, we have series of those things on our channel. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next presentation. I want to say thank you for your time, thank you for your attention, thank you for your patience. We want you to like our video, subscribe to the channel. When we make new video, you can be able to you'll be the first to know about it, and then you can subscribe to the channel, and we'll be able to do more video on either on traveling, on solar, academics, and things that has to do with our online presentation. Thank you for your time, and please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, I say thank you for your attention. See you in another video.